Welcome to this video on how to use LangChain with Python, a beginner's guide for future AI builders. First, let's answer, what is LangChain? It is a specialized tool designed for building sophisticated AI applications. Why use LangChain? Because large language models, or LLMs, have limits. They only know what they've been trained on and cannot access your personal data or current information easily. LangChain's core concept is chains. A chain links different tasks together. It takes your input, communicates with the AI model, and provides a clean answer, allowing you to link many steps for complex problems. To start, you'll need a toolkit. This includes Python for code, the OpenAI API for the AI model, the LangChain library as the glue, and VS Code as your digital notebook. Component 1 is models, which include LLMs for text in, text out tasks, chat models for conversations with human and AI roles, and embeddings, which turn words into numbers to help the AI find similar ideas in data. Component 2 is prompts. Templates let you create a predictable pattern for questions, and variables allow you to easily swap names or topics into the same prompt. Component 3 is memory. Normally, AI forgets your last message. Memory stores the conversation history, allowing LangChain to let the AI look back at what you said, making it feel like a real conversation. Here are 4 simple steps to start. Install LangChain to download the tools. Get an API key for permission to use the AI brain. Create a chain to connect your instructions to the model. And run the code so the AI processes your request and answers. The power of agents lies in an AI that acts for you 24/7. An agent can use tools like checking your calendar or searching the web. You only give it the goal, and it decides which tool to use by itself. Your learning path begins at level 1 by asking basic AI questions. Move to level 2 by building simple chains with prompts. At level 3, add memory for proper chat. Finally, reach level 4 to create agents for real tasks.